around, and I haven't Lysol this yet, so no real kiss yet. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh no. No, 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 no.
Like the little cellulite, if you will, on the bottom. What time is it? Ooh, we gotta hurry up. I'm trying to catch Chick-fil-A before they close. Everybody, my name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, so I loved how the lighting was in my last video, so I decided to do it again at night. I don't know about you guys, but it just feels very like moody and relaxing, and I was just here for it. Like, I loved editing that video because it looked so good, so we're doing it again. Anyway, off that, I have another haul yet again. Every time I feel like, okay, I'm done shopping, this is it, I have all the perfect pieces, I find some even more perfect pieces. So yeah, this haul is very, very special to me because I really stepped out of my box with some of these pieces. And like I said, I've been trying to do like a little refresh of my home because I want it to feel collected and well traveled without me having to pay that high price tag. So bougie, voice cracking? So bougie on a budget. I'm filming. Get off my line. All these pieces are gonna be very artisanal. I have some designer dupes and I'm just so excited about it. So let's hop right on in. I don't like playing favorites, but this piece, and here he is. Going around, and I haven't Lysol this yet, so no real kiss yet. But how amazing is this side table? Like, I cannot get over how good this is. He was $79.99, and I just love his little details. You have some, like, it's like squares, but circles on the inside, and it has different shades of brown and tan. Here is the lights. You see that? There we go, there we go. That's good. Good little angle. So here's the top of it, and it just felt so like tribal, but artisanal, but high-end, but designer, all at the same time. So I had to get them. They actually had a coffee table, like a big round coffee table in this same pattern, but I didn't need a coffee table, so I just got the side one, and this is gonna go in my Drea layer, and I'm just so excited about it, y'all. I can't say enough. I haven't seen anything like this, and you're not gonna find a lot of pieces like this in people's homes, just because I feel like, I don't know why I feel like that. But that was how I rationalized it in my head, because I honestly didn't need another side table, but we're gonna make room. Now, I told myself, Andrea, no more lamps. You don't need not now another one. But no, of course, I'm hard-headed, and I just had to walk in the lamp section, and this lamp, well, these lamps just had to be in my line of sight. And when I saw them, I was like,
Molly, you in danger, girl.
But let me explain. Like I've been saying, I am refreshing my space. I've been wanting to replace the lamps in my living room because I'm kind of, I love them, but they don't feel quite right in that space. So when I saw these, I was like, I have to get them. Now, I know that they're blue, but just check my logic, okay? I have been eyeing this travertine lamp. I think Menu Space Design. I think they're the people who sell it. It has a travertine base, and it's like iron here on the top, but it's high. And I couldn't bring myself to swipe my card to get it, right? So when I saw this, and I saw that it was a similar shape, I was like, oh yeah, we getting her. So I got the pair. They're $59.99 a piece. Oh my gosh. Everybody want to call tonight. I don't even remember what I was saying. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to paint this. I'm going to make the top black. And I don't know if I want to keep the sheen on it or make it matte. I'm trying to decide. Comment down below what I should do. But this is definitely going to be black, and this is going to be like a nude type, maybe plaster. I haven't really decided if I wanted to make it a really dark nude or a light one, just to kind of mimic the lamp that I have been eyeing. But y'all, I'm just so excited. Like, the shape of it is so like retro and cool. And like I said, I saved a whole bunch of money not having to buy the travertine one. Of course that one is travertine, but it's fine. Like, I have travertine pieces I can put next to this and get the same look, same effect. So yeah, I just love this. Love it so much. What time is it? Ooh, we gotta hurry up. I'm trying to catch Chick-fil-A before they close. So I have been wanting to put my little makeshift sculptural piece that I just kind of made up in my head, and it came out great. It's actually just 2 planters stacked on top of each other, but I wanted to elevate it a little bit, and I wanted to sit it on a pedestal. But y'all, pedestals, I don't know why they're so expensive. Like, why? Why? And I don't feel like building one. That just, I looked up a video and it just like, it was way more trouble than what it was worth. So I was thinking, and a light bulb went on. And I was like, Andrea, just get a side table. Get a cool side table that is sculptural, that is cool, that you can sit your piece on, and it'll give you the same effect. So here we go. I'm gonna try to lift this. It's cement, but for y'all, I'll make it work. All right, here we go. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna hold up for very long because, like I said, this is cement. It's actually a garden table, so it's heavy. What am I gonna do? Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh no. No, 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 no.
Can y'all see that? I got cement that's all over myself, all over the floor. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, it's already dirty now. Might as well. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. It's in my feet. Oh. So it's still in plastic, as you can see. I saw this while it was still on the pallet. They hadn't even unpacked it yet, so I'm gonna unwrap it. I'm aggravated. I'll just show you guys a video on the side, but when I saw it, I had to get it because I just love the bottom, like the legs on it. It's not traditional, but it's like classic, if that makes sense. So I do plan on painting it black, so it's understated but still bold at the same time. I don't know if I told you, did I say it was $59.99? It was $59.99, so a great deal. Great quality, very heavy. Like I said, it's a garden table, so it's heavy. It can withstand like wind if I ever want to move it outside. So yeah, I had to grab that, and I'm so excited to show you guys how it looks after I painted and everything. Like I said, that's gonna be like a vlog style video where I do all my little DIYs, mostly just repainting stuff. So yeah, so excited about that. Love it. Even though it got me all dirty and filthy. My feet legit feel like I've been to the beach walking in the sand. And last but not least, I got this little piece that rhymed. Y'all know I'm a lyrical genius at this point. But I got this piece to put in my bookcase that's gonna be going in my Andrea layer. I just thought it was so different from anything that I ever had. I loved how ribbed it is here at the top, but the bottom is like organic. Like you can still see the little grooves and bumps in it, like the little cellulite, if you will, on the bottom. And it has these little legs on here. You guys know I am obsessed with 3-legged pieces, and I also love the little handles on here. It's actually very odd shaped here on the top. He was only $19.99. Very artisanal looking, very handmade looking. Actually, I think it is handmade. or maybe not. It doesn't say. But in my head, he's handmade and very well traveled. This would also be super duper cute with like a floral arrangement in it. I'm just so excited. He's very versatile. So happy that I found him. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I will link all these pieces. Well, I can't link the pieces. I will leave all the style numbers down in the description box, like always, so it'll be easier for you guys to find your home goods. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, oh my gosh, dusty. But until then, peace out. Chick-fil-A time.